What is up everyone, welcome to another video here on IAmJadoreTV. This is POV relaxing photography here in Morocco. This was from the last collective travel event here that we held last year. We'll be holding another one here in literally a month's time from the video, when this video was published. And if shooting abroad is your thing, if you're interested, you've never done it before, but you've seen my work, you've seen my channel, and you're very interested in getting the same high quality content with great models, like-minded photographers, great vibes, and just getting the best content, then please check out thecollectivetravel.com. Find out when all our next events are coming up. We do have one coming up in one of our favorite destinations in Portugal. So if you want to come and find out the details for that one, this has probably been the best model lineup for our next event. So sign up to our newsletters via the website. You'll find out first when our events are happening before everyone else, and you'll also get exclusive discounts that will not be available via the general public. So definitely go to the website, subscribe to that, and I hope to see all of you very soon. But enjoy the rest of the POV photography. And then kind of get everything in. So I'm just kind of getting sort of atmospheric shots right about now, so I'm kind of just getting everything in. That's it, hold that, that's banging. Love that, hold that right there, hold that. Nice. Love that. Is this light flashing? Is it flashing? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Getting them shots. Nice. Amazing. Love that. Nice. Wow. Yes. Banging. Yes. Oh my. Hey Sean, see this F2? I might have to remortgage. Damn. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Holy mackerel. Man, this lens should be a legal one. That's the one. Whee! Yes. Love that, love that. If you do that and then like raise your leg up, that's it. Perfect, perfect. And if you can put your leg and kind of trap it, the outside bit, now the other bit, and then leg like in between there. Yeah, that's it. Bang in, yes. Love that, love that, love that. Yeah. Nice. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Love that. No way.
One thing you should do is spin it more like this.
Love that. So face it, tilt your body this way. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. That's it. A bit more towards me. That's it right there.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Love that. Look at me. Like, face that way and then eyes at me.
How many frames you shoot?
I got it slow, continuous. Love that, love that.
Yeah. Natty light.
Trust me.
We say natty with a baddie. Got one light down, one light stand down. Bro, light stand down.
Oh my days, yes, 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 yes. Wow. I come back sideways again. Nice. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, that is perfect. Perfect. Nice. Love that. Lovely. That's cool, cool. Beautiful. Love that, love that. Nice. that leg a bit further out, so you're kind of leaning. Yeah, that's it, that's it. That's it, that's it. That's it. Bring the leg up a bit more. That's it. And then push the hip out. Other hip, wait.
My leg?
Other side, other side. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Yeah, banging, banging. Just need to be close for this camera to see. Right, hold that, yeah. Quick sunset shoot. Look at that sky, people. So I'm out of breath going up them stairs. Whew. Let's go. Oh wow. I want you to stay here. Just don't die. I need it higher. I need to get higher. Or can you stand in? Yeah, it's hard. Look sensual but not scared. Focus. Okay, you can get down.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hold on. I need to get this guy. Hold that, look straight again. That's it. That's it, that's it, that's it. Hold that, hold that. Hold it. Hold it. Bang in.